I'm the owner of a financial consulting firm in Midtown Manhattan, and I frequently hire analysts with master's degrees in financial engineering from Columbia, Cornell, and NYU. My quants are top performers and I pay them well. Of course, the private sector benefits that I pay are considerably cheaper than the rich benefits we pay our municipal workers. When I look to hire a new quant, I review scores of CVs, check references, and interview no fewer than 5 candidates. My clients trust me to have them served by the best financial professionals. As a Scarsdale resident and taxpayer, I expect no less diligence from our elected officials in the selection process for an important role such as village attorney. However, my Voters' Choice Party colleague, Bob Berg, has not been able to uncover any evidence whatsoever that a search is or has been underway for a replacement for Mr. Asinnison, and Bob indicates that the village board intends, well, we've heard tonight, that the village board intends simply to appoint the village's human resources director to that role. Bob Berg, himself an accomplished attorney, clearly believes that our HR director has limited experience in the practice of law, having spent a scant 2 years functioning as attorney since graduating from law school. I wonder what other attorneys living in Scarsdale think about this potential appointment, and whether one or many of these attorneys might be interested in throwing his or her own hat into the ring. I work with many top law firms in Manhattan, and many of those attorneys live here in Scarsdale. Allen and Overy, Cleary Gottlieb, S&C, and others. How many of these might be interested in throwing his or her own hat into the ring? I wonder whether Scarsdale residents will continue to trust a body that would consider awarding an important job such as chief legal officer of the village to an individual without a formal search process guiding that decision. Are we residents truly served by excluding a population of willing candidates from consideration at the get-go? I don't think so. Let's have a search process for a qualified and experienced replacement for Mr. Asinnison. Impanel a search committee of Scarsdale residents with legal expertise and have that committee vet candidates. And if our HR director emerges as the best among those candidates, by all means, let's hire her. Much as my clients trust that I hire the best quantitative financial analysts, we Scarsdale taxpayers deserve no less than to trust that we are getting the best village attorney our $175,000 plus $100,000 more in benefits can buy. Assuring that we get the best for our money is what trustees are supposed to do. So I ask you, please don't fall down on the job here.